guys, so today I wanted to review the Barry M Crushed Jewel eyeshadows. These are cream eyeshadows. They have a lot more colours, but I chose these two. This is Cloud 9 and this is Starry Eyed. This is a gorgeous bronze shade and this is a nice like rose gold. So I'm just going to do a quick eye look with these so you can sort of see them applied. I did also use the Barry M Lid Lock eyeshadow primer. I've been really enjoying this. It really does keep my eyeshadow on and I have really oily eyelids, so that's great. But I wanted to use these and maybe even this collection Glam Crystals Dazzling Eyeliner, gel eyeliner. This is in Le Freak. It's like this gorgeous blue and I'm wearing blue, so thought we could test it out. Okay, so I'm just going to put something in the crease really quick. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Primer Infused bronzer that I used on my face. Just going to put a little bit of that in my crease. I'm actually going to just use a little bit of my Catrice Prime and Fine contour palette as well, just because that seems a little bit too warm and I want something a little bit more neutral. Okay, so I'm going to use the Cloud 9 shade on the inner part of my eye. These are really nicely pigmented. I've used these once before just to kind of test them out to see if I wanted to do this video. They wore really well. These are really nice everyday shades as well. I'm just going to tap that out with my pinky finger just to make sure there's no harsh lines and to make sure it's nicely blended. These have just a tiny bit of glitter in them, but other than that they're just like this nice sheen to your lids. And then I'm going to use the Starry Eyed one on the outer part. It's a lot darker and deeper. It'll give some sort of dimension to the eyes. This is probably going to be one of the quickest tutorials. Blend that out with my finger. I actually brought that a little bit too far in. I'm just going to take my blending brush. Just sort of blend the two together. And then I'm going to take that same Cloud 9 shade and just run this along my lower lash line. And then take a smaller brush, this Mauve E17 brush, and just blend that. Just so I've got the same sort of tone on the underneath of my eye, so it looks a little bit smoky. Take this Starry Eyed shade once more, put that really close to my outer lower lash line, and do the same thing and blend that. Okay, and then just to give it a little bit of pizzazz, I'm going to use this collection Glam Crystal Dazzling Eyeliner and just add that to the lower part of my lash line. Wow, did I just screw that up? I just want a little bit of blue to give that like a little bit more something something. Oh, my eyes. I'm going to do the same to the other side and I'll be right back. Oh, okay, so I just finished the look with my Nars Climax mascara and then I used the NYX Lingerie in the shade Scandalous, which I love this colour. I've been loving cool tone nudes recently and this is one of my go-tos. In conclusion, I really like these. I actually think this one is even more pigmented than I thought it was going to be. This Cloud 9 is a really nice everyday kind of one and done eyeshadow that you could just stick some bronzer in your crease, put this on. It'd be so sheeny and beautiful. And then this one in Starry Eyed is a bit more like evening out grungy glam. I will just quickly do some swatches. Oh, it has a soft matte packaging, by the way. These are the two swatched. You can see that it has some glitter in it, but not too much. They are so stunning and they stay on the eyes a really, really long time, especially with this lid lock primer. So these are really, really good. I highly, highly recommend. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like if you did. Subscribe if you feel like it. I would really, really appreciate it. I post every Thursday and Sunday, so I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye!